Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I really should have included in that first one. It's so easy. These are all a bunch of different groups of objects, but you can grab them all and left-click a gray, and then go down to your pen tool and double-click on it and change it to whatever point you want. And if you have this out of the way, you can actually see it do it in real time. But because we drew in hairline, it was a lot easier to snap to, and the lines are on top of each other. So it looks like bricks. Now, if you wanted to make this into a rectangle and all be perfect, let's Control G to group that together. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Even though you don't have to use the center of the page, and this thing's huge, I'm going to put P and put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle about the size of that. I'm going to hit P, and then I'm going to select them both. And because the bricks or the pattern or a group, the Intersect tool will do this right here. And now you have an intersection. I hope that helped him a little bit. And I'm going to make one more on how you could really make this a little bit unique, even still. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.